My name is I'm a project manager at Thailand today. I'm here to give a bit of info about our Tech and Science Day, of which we are aiming to expose grade 7 learners to hands-on activities on science experiments, just to give them a taste of our robotics program. And also we cover scientific experiments, including career guidance of the science field and also the engineering field and tech. So that is particularly something that is new in rural areas. So we want to make sure that everyone is involved and moving with the fourth industrial revolution. Thank you.